Women naturally understand body language. They can detect your lies while they avoid lying body language. They can get an awful gift and pretend to be happy. That's because they're dominant on their upper body language. They know face expressions, they know how to work with their palms, eyes, eyebrows, cheeks, but they can't control their legs. Actually, nobody can do it naturally. You must learn to control it. You know what's the reason? The further an organ is from the brain, the harder it is to control unconsciously. This fact can help you or ruin you. If you master legs language, you will have a superpower which 99% of the world won't have it. 1. Courage or coward on the chair. If you're a man, in your subconscious mind, testicles are a vital organ. So brain tries to protect it unconsciously. But how does it do that? By crossing legs. So, this position is kinda guarded and makes people, especially women, consider you uncomfortable and defensive. On the other hand, if you open your legs wider than normal while sitting, that makes people think you are strong. Men mostly do this stuff with their legs because of confidence. But what about women with no testicles? Crossing legs mostly in women, and also some confident men, means just one thing. They don't feel well about what they are hearing or seeing. When you see a girl with crossed legs talking to you, that means she is not interested in you or your words. So you got a few seconds to change your mind. 2. Show or hide. Look at this position. Crossing ankles and putting legs under the chair. Women try to reduce the knees distance and men just let it be open. Pay attention, this position in men have wide legs, but that doesn't mean courage because of crossed ankles. So avoid that. This position is about hiding emotions. According to studies, people who wanted to have injections in hospitals, about 70% of them used this position just to hide their fear. 3. I am the boss. While standing, if you stick your legs together, that means you don't know what to do. You don't know if you want to leave there or you want to stay. But if you want to show your dominance, just open your legs wider than shoulder width. That means I'm staying here and I decide myself when to leave. Movie writers use this tip on their movies.